A school is where a child learns to grow, play, learn, and develop, not just as a student, but as a human being. And we wanted to show you the magic that unfolds within this space. Hello and welcome. As a parent of a 10-year-old myself, I understand that selecting a school for your child can be one of the most important journeys you embark on as a parent. Education has been in my family for generations, and I'm very proud to take this legacy ahead with the Green Acres Academy. At the Green Acres Academy, we embrace change wholeheartedly. We truly believe that change begins with us. Why? With everything around us changing so rapidly, it is important that we embrace the new and also keep the best of the old, so that we are preparing our children for the world of tomorrow and not the world of yesterday. We invite you to see how we have transformed every aspect of the school to make this happen.
We started with the most important thing, changing what and how we teach in the classrooms. We go beyond traditional academics to teach critical skills needed to keep up with the current times and an ever-changing dynamic future, including coding, data literacy, multimedia communications, and the often neglected socio-emotional and self-organization skills. Of course, everything we do is aligned with the National Curriculum Framework as well as ICSE and other national boards. But we've gone far beyond these frameworks, and I'm proud to say that we have some of the brightest minds in education on our team making this happen. We've changed the way we organize our classrooms, changed our teaching methods, made learning more interactive and engaging, equipped teachers and students with powerful digital tools and resources, changed the equation between teachers and students, replacing fear with empathy, changed the school leadership structure so that our principals focus on education while the administrative tasks are taken care of by other leaders. We're constantly evolving every year, backed by data and feedback from parents.
We've changed the way young children start learning with our specially designed early childhood program, which focuses on building strong foundations, not only in literacy and numeracy, but also in socio-emotional learning and essential learning habits that shape how children develop as learners. With a student-teacher ratio of 1:13, we ensure personalized care and support for our young learners. Teachers carefully assess student progress through thoughtful observations, allowing them to respond to each child's unique needs. Students stay active in moving between large and small groups rather than sitting in rows of desks and chairs. Parents love this active approach, especially the genuine care and attention from our teachers and didis.
We've changed the way our children spend their time in school. Their week is not only balanced with academics, but also extracurricular activities to ensure that we are stimulating them in all aspects, sparking the mind, engaging the body, and nurturing their hearts. We offer a wide range of co-curricular activities, enabling our students to explore their interest in the early years and hone specific skills as they grow up. Our passion for education makes us take a leap and create our own program for socio-emotional learning across all grades, helping our students manage their emotions well and develop core skills like critical thinking and decision-making. Our citizenship program helps cultivate social responsibility through social action initiatives. We ensure these lessons are given as much importance as the academic ones, helping our children grow into amazing human beings. Isn't that exactly what we want for them?
What truly sets our curriculum apart from other schools is that it is tech-enabled. From grade 2 onwards, each student brings their personal device to the classroom. Going beyond the textbook, this facilitates exploration of content through videos, interactive simulations, and real-world projects. What it enables? Active participation, individual expression, and immediate feedback on their understanding. Wondering what they do on their devices? What they don't do is open their devices and passively watch videos all day. We also teach students about responsible device use, focusing on good habits and digital safety in the classroom. We balance device use with handwritten work and interactive learning, ensuring that students still develop essential non-digital skills. All this effort has made us a Google reference school, the first ever in Maharashtra.
And while we focus on all these aspects, what hasn't changed is our approach to academic rigor. बोर्ड परीक्षाओं में शैक्षणिक सफलता अर्थात एकेडमिक सक्सेस को ध्यान में रखते हुए ग्रेड 9 और 10 के स्टूडेंट्स के सहायता हेतु हमने स्टडी स्मार्ट नामक एक विशेष ऑनलाइन रिसोर्स तैयार किया है। बोर्ड परीक्षा की तैयारी के लिए स्ट्रेटेजिक अप्रोच, एग्जाम पैटर्न और मार्किंग स्कीम्स की गहरी समझ और कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव स्टडी मटेरियल के साथ प्रैक्टिस पेपर्स हम स्टूडेंट्स को प्रदान करते हैं। हमारे 2024 के परिणाम भी बहुत कुछ कहते हैं। इस वर्ष हमारे 100% पासिंग रिजल्ट्स में से 90% स्टूडेंट्स डिस्टिंक्शन के साथ पास हुए हैं।
Good morning. We have redefined the way a school building should be so that everything that we want our students to learn is absorbed well through thoughtfully crafted learning spaces, spacious, well-ventilated and bright sunlit classrooms, breakout corners and sound barriers, safety and security measures, and non-toxic materials used throughout the school, ensuring a safe and secure physical space for our students to thrive. We foster an environment of psychological safety where students are encouraged to ask questions, express creative ideas, and feel confident in trying new things. We want our students to be inclusive and accepting as we aim to educate children with special needs alongside the rest of the class. All this needs empathy, compassion, and lots of passion and dedication. That's why we focus on bringing in only the best talent. We have a rigorous recruitment process for teachers who come with great academic credentials. We provide over 100 hours of teacher training each year. This includes more than 40 digital courses that we have created in-house, in addition to face-to-face workshops and ongoing professional learning community meetings every week through the year. In fact, our professional development content has even been accessed by thousands of teachers across the best schools in the city as part of our outreach initiatives.
We want to see each and every child leave the school with a lot of knowledge, empathy, and the skills to help them navigate the world around them. That is why every aspect of the school, right from the physical structure and learning spaces to our teaching methods, our curriculum and holistic experiences, and those that bring it to life, our teachers and support staff, all of this has gone through a deep transformation compared to traditional schools. This makes learning more meaningful and creates a lasting impact. Because if we really want to make a difference, change begins with us. I'm super excited to welcome your little one to the Green Acres Academy, and I can't wait to see the magic unfold for all of you.